If you're tired of cords, pet hair, or weak vacuums that just don't cut it, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cordless and upright vacuums on Amazon that deliver the perfect mix of power, design, and convenience. Whether you've got kids, pets, or a busy lifestyle, these picks will help keep your home spotless without breaking your back or your budget. Let's dive straight in, starting with number 5. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Eureka PowerSpeed NU181A, a budget-friendly yet reliable cleaning machine that proves affordability doesn't have to mean compromise. This upright vacuum is impressively lightweight, just 10 pounds, making it easy to carry upstairs or move around furniture. Despite its compact size, the PowerSpeed is powered by a 960-watt motor, providing strong suction across multiple surfaces, from hard floors and tiles to area rugs and thick carpeting. You also get an extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup, which means you can clean for longer without constantly stopping to empty it. When it's time to empty, the flip-to-empty bin keeps things quick and mess-free. Another smart feature is the 5-height brush roll adjustment, letting you switch instantly between bare floors and deep carpets. And for pet owners, this vacuum includes a pet turbo brush, a crevice tool, and a dusting brush, all conveniently stored on board for quick access. It's a little old school since it's corded, but when it comes to performance and price, the Eureka PowerSpeed delivers powerful results for those who want simplicity and suction without spending a fortune. At number 4, we've got the Levoit LVAC200, a sleek, cordless vacuum that's perfect for quick and easy cleaning around the home. This model is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for apartments, smaller homes, or anyone who wants the freedom of cordless cleaning. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, you'll have enough power to tackle floors, furniture, and even car interiors in one go. What sets it apart is its tangle-resistant roller design, perfect for households with pets or long hair. You can vacuum more and deal with fewer annoying tangles. The 5-stage filtration system is another big plus. It effectively captures dust, allergens, and pet dander, making it a great pick for allergy-prone homes. Maintenance is super easy, too. The dustbin empties with a single click, the filters are washable, and the roller is removable for cleaning. It comes with both a 2-in-1 crevice tool and a 2-in-1 pet tool, giving you the flexibility to clean a variety of surfaces. The only minor downside? While efficient and convenient, its suction power is a little less intense compared to higher-end models. But for the price and ease of use, the Levoit LVAC200 hits the sweet spot between performance and portability. At number 3, we have the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360, a true classic in the world of home cleaning. This vacuum is known for its powerful suction and multi-surface performance. It deep cleans carpets while also tackling bare floors with ease. Its standout feature is the lift-away functionality. Just press a button to detach the canister and clean under furniture on stairs or above the floor. It's perfect for upholstery, drapes, and those hard-to-reach areas. For anyone with allergies or pets, this vacuum includes anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with a HEPA filter, trapping dust and allergens inside instead of releasing them back into the air. You also get handy attachments, like the upholstery tool and crevice tool, making it great for pet hair and tight spaces. Add in swivel steering, brush roll shutoff, and a large 0.9-quart dust cup, and you've got a vacuum that's not only powerful, but also flexible and easy to handle. While it's not cordless, its detachable pod gives you that same mobility for above-floor cleaning. The Shark NV360 earns its spot for sheer suction power, reliability, and versatility, a perfect mix of practicality and performance. At number 2, we're stepping it up with the Bissell PowerClean Fur Finder 200W, the ultimate cordless vacuum for pet owners. If pet hair is your biggest enemy, this vacuum is your best ally. The 200W motor packs serious power, while the Fur Finder headlights illuminate hidden hair and fine dust that you'd otherwise miss. It's completely tangle-free, so you'll never have to pull hair out of the brush roll again. Plus, it delivers up to 40 minutes of cleaning power, plenty of time to cover your whole home. The HEPA-sealed allergen system traps dust and particles inside, improving the air quality in your space. And here's something you'll love. It's self-standing. You can pause cleaning anytime without leaning it against a wall. The Fur Finder's tool attachments are also excellent, with a dedicated Fur Finder tool for upholstery, car interiors, and stairs, plus an integrated crevice tool for tight corners. Bizzle claims this vacuum removes up to 95% of embedded pet hair, and after seeing it in action, it's clear why this model is a favorite among pet parents. With strong suction, clever design, and thoughtful features, the PowerClean Fur Finder secures its spot at number 2 as the best mid-range cordless vacuum for homes with furry friends. And taking the number 1 spot, no surprise here, is the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum, the gold standard of home cleaning. The Dyson V11 combines raw power, smart technology, and precision engineering in one beautifully designed machine. With 60% more suction power and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it's made for whole home deep cleaning. It features 3 power modes: Auto, Eco, and Boost, so you can balance runtime and performance based on your task. The LCD display is a standout touch, showing real-time battery life, power mode, and maintenance alerts. Its motor bar cleaner head adapts to all floor types automatically, while the hair screw tool detangles pet hair as it cleans. The advanced whole machine filtration system traps 99.99% of microscopic dust and allergens, releasing cleaner air into your home. Built with premium, lightweight materials, the Dyson V11 easily converts into a handheld vacuum for cars, stairs, and upholstery. It's undeniably premium, but if you're looking for unmatched suction, design, and smart functionality, the Dyson V11 Origin is hands down the best cordless vacuum you can buy today. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 5 vacuums of 2025, ranked from budget-friendly workhorses to cutting-edge cleaning tech. Which one would you pick for your home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home and kitchen finds every week. Until next time, keep your home fresh, clean, and effortlessly stylish.